Alright, hello everybody. Today we're making a video of the lawn tractor that we use at work. You are clearly looking at an Ariens lawnmower, and based on the body style, you know that it is made by AYP American Yard Products. It's got a 17.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine, as you just saw running. There we go. And let's take a look at the tag under the hood. There's some part numbers for you if you're interested. Here's the engine model number. We're looking at a 42-inch deck. Now this deck is not the original from this lawnmower. I actually recently got a junkyard find of a Craftsman, and the deck was identical, and the deck that was on this one needed some parts. Instead of buying parts for it, I just swapped them out, but we'll see what I do with the other deck when I get it. Anyway, back to the lawn tractor numbering. Here we are looking at model number here, and I believe this means that this lawn tractor is from 2009. It's a 6-speed transmission, 6 speeds forward, 1 reverse. This one has 18 by 9.5 by 8-inch rear tires and 15 by 6 by 6 front tires, which is very standard on these tractors. And this thing is just the one that we use to cut the grass at work. So this is the first AYP built Ariens that I've ever dealt with, but it's very much like all the other AYP products, you know, like those over there. But anyway, there you go, Ariens. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and here's the front view. Obviously the headlight lens is missing. This one's had a few miles on her.